In this short video, I will explain how to share your calculations in the TruckScience app. Sharing calculations allows you to collaborate with other users of the TruckScience app within or outside of your organization to design legal and efficient trucks. This video explains how to share an editable calculation which can be opened by another user of the TruckScience app. Sharing a read-only report in the PDF document is dealt with in another video. Calculations can be shared one at a time from within a calculation, or many at once from the My Saved Calculations area. Let's start with sharing a single calculation from within that calculation. From within the calculation that you wish to share, click the Share icon in the toolbar. You will be prompted to save your drawing if not done so already. Enter the email address of the person you wish to share the calculation with. If the TruckScience team have asked you to share your calculation for the purpose of providing support, you can choose the pre-populated TruckScience support address here. If you add a comment, it'll be included in the email to notify the receiver that you have shared a calculation with them. Choose whether you wish to grant the receiver permission to view and save a copy or edit and overwrite your copy. As the name suggests, edit and overwrite allows the receiver to make changes to your calculation which overwrite the original, whereas view and save a copy requires them to save a copy of the calculation to their own profile before saving any changes to that copy. In effect, there will be two different versions of the calculation in circulation then, one on each of your profiles, and they would need to go through the same process to share their copy with you. Select Copy Me In on the invitation to receive a copy of the email that is sent to the receiver to your own email address. Note that anyone you share the calculation with will see the latest version of the calculation, including any changes saved in the future, until access is removed. Select Invite Now to share your calculation. Now let's look at sharing multiple calculations from the My Saved Calculations screen. For each calculation you wish to share, select the checkbox next to the calculation name and choose Share from the action buttons above the list of calculations. From here, the process is the same as for one calculation. To find the recipient, add an optional comment and choose the level of permissions you wish to grant the receiver. To revoke access to a calculation in future, locate the name of the person whose access is to be revoked in the Who Has Access list. Use the Revoke Access X beside the name of that person. Then simply click Update Now. Note that the person will not be notified that their access to this calculation has been revoked. This will also not affect their access to other calculations. Sharing calculations allows you to collaborate with other users of the TruckScience app within or outside of your organization to design legal and efficient trucks. If you have any further questions about sharing your calculations in the TruckScience app, please reach out via our in-app chat. Thank you for watching.